Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iWTV usese uyu Professor CM Lukhuleni ngithi bafowethu sengigoqa dala le ndoda ihleli la since ngo6 ekseni iyeke yonke into yayo yayeka ngisho nabantu ababalekile empilweni yayo ngisho ubani ngingasho ubunolo bekumele amkhaphe esikolweni noKabelo nakhona kanjalo lo Karabo maningi ngithi uKabelo naye uradile
ubunolo
angikho kubunolo udirile bonolo yeah ay nayo
ke bonolo ne ke tshwantse ke mise sekolo
ke bonolo yeah ay yang sekolo so mara antlompa atla ka tseku brakebi I'll always be thankful to you gore modimo le badimo ba re kopantsitse it was not a mistake and then ngare ba ka re fa bophelo
mashallah
ra phela re phile so ra dire gone fa batho tsebo
mashallah
engata
mashallah
and then uska give up isa ke batho ba re mo di etsa ngaka motho le motho o na le molomo ha bona ra itse ra reng o criticize that is why liko parliamenting liko courtong liko kai gona le batho ba dutsing mola ne just to criticize everything ha bona re ntwa e mosuto ra utlwisisa will criticize so o sa ya ka motho ha o ka motho o tlo felela tsela because o feletsa o ntse ka harantlo o ngadile wa ra ke sa etsa next ke motho ha o filwe gore o thuse batho you will help people to help people a gore ke ngaka le doctor fela gona le batho ba thusang batho ka o bua fela just to talk o mongwa bule ha matlo wa ntlhalo ha so nna ke bona gore tsaba ke nkela koptu nna ke na le jo tsa ba dire motho ha hema wa hema a ke na taba le ena but ka gore tlhompa batho ba TV guys kina le KB le tsere wa bona mo KB utswere ngo wa ha na tsere nazi le salga senkuni lot of people be ba minyaka mme lot of people ba monkile mme lot of people ba prof na ke nyaka mme o lo tshoka sehluko a rotse digong a pepotse ngwana wa hae a tswere le khuba ke sotse le re
ke I think ke ba re ke
letsepe in
letsepe I think
yeah
it's trying to exaltation asisela sabotlhabana
yeah thank you Brakebi over to you.
All right prof I don't want to say much about Lomfazi except to say ukuthi you know guys and that's why again ngizokhuluma that's why ngiyenze one-on-one to explain some of the things that because prof can't explain everything inhloko yakhe is full of knowledge and so when he gives us less sometimes at the back of his mind uyakhohlwa ayimanye ama details ay background 99 and that's where a guy like me comes in to explain ukuthi behind most of ithwalo prof asenzayo angifuna ukukhulumela ezinyanya there's a background either something has happened to this person when there's a prof head of this person in a village wayalapho wamthola wa investigator or prof got a calling or whatever those are but asikho isithola esivumbu kavumbu out of nowhere na ilento le niphethe lento le ayihambi kanjalo and that's what I like because of the background I started appreciating the work engena phakathi kwesitho like this woman died a very tragic death that is why umuntu azothatha lento le amfonele Brakebi ngifuna umfazi we I always ask ukuthi what is your situation wena umfunela nani lo mfazi is it just ukuthi ufuna ukukhuphuka ngemali kanjani but somebody will tell you listen here's my life story bazokutshela people that call me know ukuthi I don't just go hey yeah okay sharp hamba I want to know about you what there's an interesting background. That is why Mauzala, your heart must be in the same place as this person. All right, this is where I am. This is where I want to go. So that's what I like about Lomfazi. But the question, Prof, is that more 2024, has anything changed in this thing? Or is it still the same? Is it going to still do the same thing? Is there power added? Is there power reduced? Because as in your trial, unfortunately, you have to reduce the power. But with this one, did you add or reduce or change anything as ABC as from the previous time?
Si edile Brakebi remember umfazi besimkhipha nge50 manje sesiyomkhipha nge70 amandla nawo uvelo wanyuka waya ngale umfazi uvela ufuna umuntu enenhliziyo epure nephupho nokuthi sengilimele noma ngifeyile enzima izinto zami zivele zaphushuka nje angisakhona kuya ngale because of ngingahlasela ukufa so lo mfazi uzofesa amaphupho umuntu uthi I had a dream I didn't conclude the dream. Remember the child also beganiphupho lakhe naye so but definitely they died
life cut short
they died a horrible death. Rakebi ubuye emasimini kuyolima ubuthabuthi inkuni zakho lapha abantwana ekhaya babukele ukuthi mama uyabuya nomntwana sekhaya but you died crossing over. But when we talk about crossover, Brakebi, people don't understand crossover ukuthi shukuthi. Crossover ukukrossela ngale ukwazi ukuthola izinto zakho. Crossover bekayobona imndeni yakhe ngale but akakwazanga ugcine ngokucrossa ayo emasimini. Makumela crossover alethe lokho akuphethe akukhonakalanga. That is why angifuni umuntu odlalayo la. Angifuni futhi umuntu ongazazi indaba zakhe la. Ngifuna umuntu ozokwazi ukuhandlisha lo mama. Akwazi ukumsebenzisa ngendlela afuna ngayo lo mama. Angifuni abantu abalazy la. Angifuni umuntu okhuluma kakhulu ngoba izinto ezenzeka kulomfazi zijule over.
Yes, for sure.
Zijule ngenye indlela ecacile. That is why abaningi bathi kanti umfazi othola inkuni so waphela na. Asikho isithwalo esiphelayo kalukhuleni. Isithwalo esikhona sihlezi sikhona. Ngaza ngasivusa ngicedile. Ngahamba ngathi ngiya eMozambique ngiyothatha izinto ezithile ngahamba ngathi ngeZimbabwe ngothatha izinto ezithile ngahamba ngathi ngiyakuphi ngiyothatha izinto ezithile umunye athi ngoba uprof nokuhamba landa izinto emaPort nami ngifuna ukuya la ayakho hamba phela mina ngoba yami inyanga yafa eyangithwasisa so a lot of people bazitshela ukuthi oh prof maye eMozambique like last time ngihambe nabantu eMozambique to go to Mozambique mangihamba nabogogo sisuka mathwasa ama ngisho siyophahla emathuneni yabogogo laba siphala umsebenzi bonengwansuna mina yami inyanga bokunengwansuna Brakebi nengwansuna died dala so uma ufuna inengwansuna is dead ngiyomvusa ngithini but uyasebenza kimi ngeke ubone wena mara kimi uyasebenza nakubo abantu abeza la ekhaya uyabaphakamisa ngoba naye simvusile ukuthi ngoba uyenza lo msebenzi vuka na uthatha umsebenzi na umfazi owenza izimanga une business ufuna umfazi ofaka izinto inkuni ezabopha inyanza uzozabopha inyanza yenza izinto zakho zahamba is still here but hasaliding utengi ha into entsha and those things that dealing thing adincha Brakebi the thing is just what ngasibuka tsona and I'm not living now in this earth. I'm still gonna live. I won't die today. I won't die tomorrow. I won't die when. Ke satlo phila le KB. Ke satlo shuta le KB. Ashinya abantu tomuhulu. O sa khona go tsekile ntatomhulu. Ya la tsoga bara di batso go TV. Ke ntate moholo KB.
La muza kusho ukuthi uzongithwebula ukuthi ngihambi. Yabuze you must read the side. You must
You won't leave. You won't leave. I swear on my father's grave. Okay. You won't leave now.
So, Prof, lastly, is it exclusive for business people or can I take it if, for example, because I don't know if I should explain. Ikoni ambassador ya talent to which country? Why were you able to give Leo ambassador this thing?
Uyenza umsebenzi omningi ophethe izwe lasemzansi akuphi kuphi ngengisho.
Okay.
Uphethe izwe laseZimbabwe ase South Africa. Uphethe izwe lase South Africa ale umile thina kwelinye ilizwe.
Okay.
Thank you.
So if you have something heavy ungayithatha lento. If you have business ungayithatha lento. All right. Siyabonga. Sishenga keep busy. Siyabonga Prof. Uzayivala ke channel yakho.
Ngisho njalo bafowethu ngithi ngakhohle ukusubscribe. Sesifike emaphethelweni sino Brakebi esukuleni namuhla ngisho kona ukuthi siyophinde sibonane to the next episode. Brakebi nayo phela designer yami engigqokisile namhlanje. I thank you my brother. Continue to do a nice thing. Abantu phela bathi akasagqoka isiNigeria. No, izinto ziyangeminyaka ziyatshintsha. siye ngenye into designer yami manje ngigcokise kanje
So mina Mr Price asichinge.
hayi wena ne Mr Price angichange ngizobuya nginibona unyaka ozayo ngicabanga ukuthi ngizonikrasha nginifake kuyafana hayi ukuthi Bra KB akana mali guys
Yeah, siyabonga prof.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.